Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make Kodiak oatmeal. This quick guide will help you prepare a delicious and protein-packed breakfast in minutes. Simply combine 1/2 cup of Kodiak oatmeal with 1/2 cup of water or milk. You can microwave it for about 1 minute or cook it on the stovetop. After cooking, give it a good stir and let it sit for 2 minutes. It's an easy way to start your day with sustained energy. For a creamy stovetop preparation, begin by bringing 1/2 cup of water or milk to a gentle boil in a small pot. Once boiling, stir in 1/2 cup of Kodiak oatmeal until it's fully incorporated. Reduce the heat to medium-low and let it simmer for just 1 minute. Then, remove the pot from the heat, cover it, and allow it to stand for 2 to 3 minutes. This method yields a wonderfully rich texture. If you're short on time, the microwave method is incredibly convenient. Combine 1/2 cup of Kodiak oatmeal with 1/2 cup of your chosen liquid in a microwave-safe bowl. Heat on high for approximately 1 minute to 1 minute and 15 seconds. Remember that cooking times can vary slightly depending on your microwave's power. Carefully remove the hot bowl, stir thoroughly, and your warm, hearty breakfast is ready to enjoy in moments. Now, let's talk about making your Kodiak oatmeal uniquely yours. Enhance your bowl with fresh fruit such as berries or sliced bananas for natural sweetness and added nutrients. For an extra boost of protein and healthy fats, consider stirring in nuts, seeds, or a spoonful of your favorite nut butter. A dash of cinnamon or a drizzle of maple syrup can also elevate the flavor. Adjust the liquid amount to achieve your preferred consistency, whether thicker or thinner.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.